WhatsApp has added a new feature that allows you to schedule calls with your friends and family. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to schedule a call on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To schedule a call on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and go to your Calls tab. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Schedule Call. Now you can add a title for your call and a description if you want to add more details. Then you can set a start and end time for your call. Choose the date and time you want your call to start. If you want to set a specific end time, tap the switch to enable end time. Then select the time you want the call to end. At the bottom, tap Call Type to choose if you want to have a video call or a voice call. Once you've added all your call details, tap Next. Then choose the contacts or group you want to invite to your call. Then tap Next at the bottom. Your call invite will then be sent in a chat with the contacts or group you've selected. They can tap the invite to see more details and let you know if they'll be able to attend. Once you've scheduled a call, you'll see your upcoming scheduled call at the top of the Calls tab. You can tap the call here to join the call, or tap Edit in the top right corner to make any changes to your call details, or cancel the call if needed. Contacts you've invited will be notified before the call begins to remind them to join, and can tap Join to enter your scheduled call. That's all it takes to schedule a call on WhatsApp. Want to learn how to schedule an event on WhatsApp? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.